to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date with my videos. I am very sorry for the way I sound right now. I'm very congested, a little on the sick side. I have a cold, I'm trying to get over it. It's been here for a while now and I'm just trying to get over it. But please disregard the way I sound. I know I sound very nasally and I know it's annoying, but it's all good. It's gonna get better. I won't sound like this in the next video. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I achieve big, full, luxurious wand curls. My hair is freshly washed. Put a little bit of oil in it after I wash it, let it air dry. I'm going to be applying some heat protectant so I don't have any more heat damage in my hair because I already have some and I did not like it because I felt like I messed up my bundles. But anywho, I am using a Zolis Professional wand curler. I got this from TJ Maxx and it came with 3 barrels. I'm using the 1-inch that doesn't like go in or get smaller at the end. So yeah, this is what wand curl I'll be using. It doesn't have a temperature nozzle where I can adjust the temperature. It goes up to what, I think 450. So this bad boy does get really hot enough to burn my fingers, which I do all the time. Hopefully I don't do it in this video. But yes, I will show you guys how I will achieve my big curls. Okay, okay. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the heat protectant I'm going to be using in my hair. It's called Silk Elements Strength and Silk Coconut Heat Protecting Spray with silk. No, I've never used it, but I went to my local Sally's Beauty Supply store and asked one of the ladies what's her fave, and she recommended this. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray a little bit of this in my hair. It actually smells really good. I got the, like I said, the coconut kind. There was a coconut and there was an olive. So, yeah, it smells really good, like I just said. But hey, I'm gonna brush that all the way throughout my hair so we can go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I like to go in layers, starting from the back. And I'm gonna pin my hair up with this hair clip. If you can't see a theme in my room throughout my life, what my favorite color is, you don't know me. But it's obviously pink, so yeah. Just gonna take this hair clip, get all this hair out the way. If it holds my hair. That was my phone, by the way. It's not cracked, so we're good. So I went ahead and sectioned one of the layers in the back of my head into another piece about this size. And I'm gonna take my barrel and start from I start from the top of my hair shaft and just twirl it around the wand curler and leave it there for about 10 seconds or so. And I like to have my curls really tight. So by the time I do my whole head, all the curls will fall and not be as tight, but also have a nice, thick, full curl. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start from the top and work my way down. Hold for about 10 seconds. And let it out. And just kind of crimp it with my hand. Okay, so I'm now about to repeat that step throughout my whole head and just go in layers. Let it go, and then I crimp it with my hand. And this stuff can be kind of hot, like, you know, just came out the wand curler. so it can be a little hot. So I just advise you to be a little careful, because I know you guys don't want to burn your hands. And I also curl towards my hair, not away from my face. This is just a personal preference. You can curl your hair away or towards your face if you want to, but I just prefer for the curl to go inwards. But that is all up to you. All a personal decision on your part. I just like them all to be uniform and go in one direction. Always make sure my sections are not too big, not too small. So I'm very highly upset, because as you can tell, I was continuing to do my hair and I did not know my camera stopped recording, and I finished my hair. So you guys didn't get to see the end of it all, finished product, how I did the top, all that kind of stuff. But basically I continued to take my hair in pieces and layers and did tight curls, and then once I was done with all that, I did the same thing to my closure. And once I was done with all that, I took a couple strokes with a wide tooth comb and took my comb through it a couple times, not too much because I didn't want to kill all the curls. I just wanted to make them look more uniform and give them a little bit more body. But as you can tell, it's very thick, full of life, lots of body, nice and flowy, all the kind of stuff. That's like my little secret. I just, after I'm done, while I'm curling my hair, I know it's gonna fall, but to help it out a little bit, I go ahead and take this wide tooth comb and run it through a couple times, just to give it a little more uniformity. But yeah, I'm very sorry my camera had just randomly stopped recording and didn't want to tell nobody. But that's it for my video. I hope the little part you did get to see was helpful. Yeah, if you have any questions, please ask below. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.